Hello everyone! Today I'll demonstrate how to change your Shopify background to any custom image. Let's dive right in. Firstly, open your internet browser and navigate to shopify.com. Once on the page, click on Login in the top right corner. Select your online store after logging in with your account credentials. Once logged into your Shopify store, select the store where you want to add a custom background image. You'll be directed to a page where you can customize your store. Click on Online Store and then Customize. You should see Image banner in the left menu of your screen. If not, you can add a block or section and then add a custom image. Click on the Image banner and select any custom image. By clicking on Select Image, you can upload your own image or explore free images from Shopify's library. Once you've added the image, click on Save and there you have it. Your Shopify store now has a custom background image. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials.